Look at the bird. Look at the birds. Look at the bird. Now that's very fast. That's another branch. Right. I think we're in the middle of a bird race, a bird circuit. I don't know, but I think I've been standing here for the past 5 minutes. I think there are pack of birds. There's another one speeding. Right. Here comes. Alright, when you can hear them pass by, you know, it's like bullets. It's not so fast. Let's see. Ready. I think let's give them another minute. Okay, here comes. Whoa. I'm no bird expert, but I think they are, you know, just passing time before going to sleep. But I might be wrong. I'm no bird expert. Let's see. Think that's it. Normal birds passing by. Alright, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click that like button. Here comes. That's the last one of the day. Whoa.